Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm really sorry, but this box is humongous. So I'm going to film this the best way I can, but we do have a brand new supplier of diamond paintings, and inside this box, all the way from our Colchester store, we have the range. And just before we get into this, do order with them because you can get next day delivery. It's a little bit expensive, $5.99, but you can order right up till gone 10 o'clock. And I think you can order up to 11, I don't know. But I've ordered around 10 to 11 before and it's come the next day. So we'll get into this. Why they send such a massive box, I'm not entirely sure. But let's get into it and see what we got. So obviously in here we've got some crystal creations. And one of them is the lion. So I was talking about a lion. Because remember I said I kept debating and I was like, do you know what? I'm going to get it. So yeah, we'll get into this. But yeah, apologies about the angle. I don't know how else we can get it to fit in. I mean, it's that big, my sink's on show. But as you can see in here, we've also got some Easter stuff in here. So let me just get the Easter stuff out because that's for the other channel. So let's just take that out because that's for a different channel, you see. But right, okay, so in here, oh wow, okay, fair enough, it is quite big then, but oh wow, lots of bubble packing. But in here, as I said, I did get another thing, but that's for the Easter channel. So in here, we've got the crystal creations. We've got two of these. Let me get this box out of the way. Let's get that down there, there's nothing else in there, lovely. And I got these. These were like, I can put it back there now. These were like, I think they were like $3.99 each. But, you know, I said I was debating about that line. Well, I had to get this. This is a 3,500 crystal kit. It comes with silicone gum, but look how cool this is. It's actually printed on a stretch canvas on a wooden frame, which is, I don't think I've ever done before apart from the flowers. So this is going to be really good. Over 3,500 crystals. I don't know if they've got, I was a bit on a tray or anything, but I was a bit nervous. What the hell is that? But anyway, it's an 18 times 18, and when I looked at that size, I was like, oh, I don't know, because when it's online, you never really know what size it is until you get it, but it's actually come pretty good. We've got crystal silicone gum, crystal storage bags, tray, and an applicator. So in here, as you can see, got some lovely bits in there, bobs there. They've got so many wonderful ones. This company down here called Hinkler, they don't actually have, they have a website, but you can't actually buy from them. So let's get into this. I'm liking this. But yeah, new company now. So we'll be doing, well, the range has been out for ages, but they're supposed to be building one in Chelmsford because the Debenham store was gone. And yeah, this is a nice little size. Oh, this is a nice little size. Petter, I think you've done something similar to this, didn't you, with for your mum? Oh, that's nice. Right, so in here, what we've got, obviously it's all in this, it looks like it's in cellophane or something, so we'll just make a slight incision in there. This is really nice because they've printed the symbol thing on the back, which is okay, but obviously if you're working on the front of it, you've got to keep swapping and changing, but they do print it as well. So let's get in here. Oh, this is lovely. We'll get to the drills in a bit, but as you can see, we've got the standard sort tray with your pen and applicator in your baggies. Obviously, I drill dump mine in the jar of dirt, so I don't keep the bags anymore. So I'll send them off to a friend of mine that likes bags. We'll get to the painting in a bit. We have to save the best till last. And this is nice because what they've done in here, you've actually got, see, this is what's nice about this company. With the works, they don't put the DMC code number. So on here, you've got, oh, that's nice. Pink, red, purple, red, greens, pink. Oh, that's gorgeous. I like that. Lime, orange, yellow, and a bit of teal, I think, there. So that's really nice. And then obviously we've got our little symbol pack, which looks nice. So we can work off that as well. So we'll put that over to one side for a minute. And let's get to the painting itself. I love the fact that it's already on a frame. That's brilliant. Really like that. So I think it's going to be quite vibrant, and look at that! Oh my god! Right, that is definitely exceeded my expectations, because I'm like, all the different colours I wasn't sure, but this, what a lovely item. You've got it on a little canvas. You know, once you printed it, you can put it on the wall. We would call this a partial because this part here is not done, but it's printed on the canvas. That's beautiful. I really like that. So let's get into the other one now. So the next one I got was this one. Obviously, because I'm new to this size, I only wanted to get 2 just to test the water a bit and see whether I would get on well with it. But yeah, these look really good. So we'll get into this one. They've got loads of different ones. There's all different sizes and stuff, but it's just great because I can get things for the next day. I'm not going to keep the box, but I just need to try and get it out. It's so rammed in. Oh, I'm really liking these. These are beautiful. So yeah, really good. There's nothing else in the box. Okay, and actually, let me get that one there a minute. Same sort of scenario again. This one it's really tiny printed on there. That's nice. And in here, another bag of baggies and your applicator and stuff. And then let's get into the picture this time. But in here, we have got, is it any good? Oh yeah, look at that. Oh right. Very colourful. So again, it's a partial with this top part is not done, but we have got a lovely couple of kits. I'm sure I've seen this on a card with Craft Buddy. I'm not so sure, but I'm sure I have. So that's really gorgeous. I like that. Absolutely brilliant. Lovely light colours there. And then in here, we've got our drills. Yeah, so in here we have, as you can see, the little kitty cat. So good. And then we've got loads of different colours, lots of beiges, bit of brown, bit of pink, blacks, all sorts of lovely colours there. That's really lovely. And yeah, so let me know what you like so far. As I said, the prices do range, hence the word the range shop. But I'm really happy. As I said, it's really interesting because I have looked at this. You know, when you look at it and then you sort of come off it, you're not really sure. And I thought, do you know what? It's $3.99. I'm going to buy it and see what it is. And I do have quite a lot of multicoloured lines like this. I've got some on a 30 to 40 canvas and stuff like that. But I think these are beautiful. These are really lovely indeed. And I really quite like this canvas of it. It's absolutely lovely. So let me know what one's your favourite. Do check out the range. I'll put the links for these in the description below the video. They've got quite a few, so do have a browse around, and remember you can get next day delivery if you really want to pay next day. They do also standard delivery. They've got all sorts of different delivery options, but you know what I'm like, I like it nice and quick. I don't like hanging around for deliveries, but I'm really happy with that. Can't wait to get started on them. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified for all the videos I do. And we'll see more from the range coming due course. Bye guys.